Guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we will see how to change the WhatsApp status of your friend without touching his phone. So let's get started. Open the WhatsApp. Now play the status of your friend. This is the status that we are going to change. Now go back to home screen and open the file manager. Open the WhatsApp folder and then open media folder. Click on 3 vertical dots and then open settings. Enable the show hidden files. Now you can see the status folder is been visible. Now select any image and then move or copy the image and paste in the .statuses folder. Once as the image has been moved in .statuses folder, select the status image of your friend and rename it. But before renaming it, copy the file name and then rename it to anything you want. Now select the image that you have pasted in status folder, and rename the file name with previous copied file name. And then click on rename. Now open the WhatsApp again. Now you can see the status of your friend has been changed. You can do prank with your friend and can show him that his status has been changed. Thanks for watching the video. Please like and share the video and also don't forget to subscribe to the channel.